Aga pa? Saan ba tayo? Saan tayo? Kuya Kai, saan tayo? Nasaan tayo? Hindi na alam. Nasaan tagal na ng biyahe natin? Ay, sakigising ko lang. Kakagising ko lang. Ang payat mo dyan. Payat naman talaga. Hi!
Akala ko naman
picture. Nasa Bulacan daw tayo.
Sa Bulacan pa lang? Malayo pa?
Malayo pa. O, tumabi tayo pa tayo mabundol. Hi! Nasa Bulacan na kami. Malayo pa lalakbay namin.
Pwede natin dito. Gawa nung ano.
Parang ang ganda mag-picture dito, diba?
Diba?
Very supportive.
Buti lang, hindi si Siren. Kung si Siren
Ay, dapat kinuhanan mo yung vlogger.
Nakay guys, training ano, vlogger nga guys.
junior ni Carl yan.
Training yan?
Yeah.
Nagtirinig sila. Magandang yung guys.
Stop it.
So ayan Charlie, nakita na tayo. Dito na nakita yung mga bags.
Kawawa na yung isa lang doon. Mag-isa lang doon.
Ang maganda po maranda.
Sulok. Kaya ba matulugin yun kapag morning? Kay?
Ha?
Ito niya.
Walang tulog yung iba yan.
Kinumpleto ang kanyang kwan.
Natin si Bakla, oh. Di ano natin.
Nagsimula sa simple na pasulyap-sulyap, mapapansin sa'yo. Umabot sa palitan ng mga mensahe, kilig na kilig ako. Kumusta, kain na, hello, magandang umaga. Ingat ka, pahinga, huwag kang masyadong magpupuyat pa. Naramdaman ng puso na dahan-dahan akong nahuhulog sa'yo.
Pinapayak mo naman si Papi.
O, iharap mo si tita sa camera, tita. O, picture kayong tatlo. Ayan, umiiyak po ang tatay niya. Harap sa camera, tito. O, ano masasabi mo kay Carl? Huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata.
But 2 hours in
Grabe naman yan to.
hindi na makakapasok sa sa video.
Aba.
Speechless, no? Naiiyak ako eh. Sa unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord kasi natupad ng anak ko ang pangarap niya. Noon pa kasi gusto niya maging Navy. Sabi ko, anak, ayoko. Mauna pa akong mamatay sa'yo pag nag-Navy ka. Pero now, talagang ginusto niya mag-Navy. Kaya now Navy na siya ngayon. So, you know, masayang-masaya ako sa tagumpay naging tagumpay ng buhay ng anak ko ngayon. Sobrang proud mama talaga ako. Dahil naabot ng anak ko ang pangarap niya. Sa pagsisikap niyang mabuti para maabot ang pangarap niya. Sa hirap at ginhawa, sa lungkot at saya, maabot niya lang ang pangarap niya. I'm proud of you, my son. I love you.
Hi, tita.
Hello. Atin ako ngayon ng graduation ng anak ko. Finally, sis.
Ala, sakto!
Mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong matatang. Pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Labis pa sa labis ang iyong nagawa, mama. Pahinga muna, ako na. La tara-tara, la tara-tara, la tara-tara-tara, la tara-tara, la tara-tara, la tara-tara, la tara-tara, la tara-tara. Papa, naaalala mo pa ba?
Congrats, Car. Ako ay labis na nagpapasalamat sa ating Panginoon na ikaw ay nakatapos sa iyong pag-aaral at ngayon ay nasa Navy ka na. Ako ay labis ang aking pasasalamat at ikaw ay nasa pwesto na ngayon. Love you.
Ikaw ang aking paa sa tuwing na ako'y
Thanks, Dad.
Oh?
My new shoes.
Game. Ang cute nito, tay.
May upuan kayo, di ba?
Hi Kuya! Congratulations, no? We're so proud of you and I hope you enjoy your journey na pinasok mo. Bye-bye! Hi Kuya! May kambal! Congrats na na-achieve mo na ngayon yung pangarap mo. And sana maging masaya ka sa pinili mo na part ka na ng gobyerno. Love you! Congratulations! Super proud kami sa'yo. I love you!
BS Electrical Technology, Bachelor of Arts in Philosophy, BS Aviation Electronics Technology, BS Aircraft Maintenance, BS Psychology, BS Psychology, Bachelor of
this point, we should witness the considered presentation of Sailor Basic Course Class 71.
Somebody call 911. Shawty fire burning on the dance floor. Let's go. Shawty got that super thing. I never seen in the South of Spain. Got me soon as I walk through the door. My body took a lane. The way she drop it on that thing. Got me on this. Somebody call 911. Shawty fire burning on the dance floor. She's fire that money's a masterpiece. The order is one in every 100 years. But ain't no doubt I'm taking it all. She get it up and look and drop it. Somebody call 911. Shawty fire burning on the dance floor. I gotta move her now. She walk me down to ground on the dance floor. She's fire burning on the dance floor. That little shawty's fire burning on the dance floor. She's fire burning. Later, bitches.
Esse é o bonde do Brunão, esse é ferrujão. Esse é o bonde do Brunão, rebola só Brunão.
Esteemed guests, members of SBC Mangaragsing Class 71,
Senior Candidate Banyaga, Philippine Navy, Sultan Kudarat, Senior Candidate Banga, Philippine Navy, Cavite, Senior Candidate Barayro, Philippine Navy, Cavite, Senior Candidate Barela, Philippine Navy, Camarines Sur, Senior Candidate Barsales, Philippine Navy, Iloilo, Senior Candidate Arte, Philippine Navy, Pangasinan. Sailor Candidate Caluste, South Cotabato, Sailor Candidate Campang Cavite, Sailor Candidate Campoyo, North Cotabato, Sailor Candidate Candelario Counties, Sailor Candidate Camillo Rizal, Sailor Candidate Parate Pangasinan, Sailor Candidate Cartama Iloilo, Sailor Candidate Casabuena Cavite, Sailor Candidate Casagay Pangasinan.
This is more than a class name. It is the creed you now embody. Let it be the compass that guides you, a solemn promise to be a triumphant sailor and a responsible soldier. Let this commitment be etched into your hearts and reflected in your every action as you embark upon your naval career. As I have reminded you during our commander's time, and I will remind you again, the bedrock of your service is your character towards your work. Always know your job, do your job, and do it to the best of your ability. In our Navy, the anchor of your work ethic, the foundation of your decisions, and the soul of your leadership. Ladies and gentlemen, our graduates, palakpakan po natin. May I also ask the proud parents, families, and dependents who are here with us today to please stand to be recognized. You are all the unseen anchors of these graduates. Your unwavering faith, your silent prayers, and your immeasurable sacrifice have forged the resolve and shaped their character. This milestone is as much a testament to your love as it is to their hard work. On behalf of the Philippine Navy and the entire NETC family, I offer our deepest, most heartfelt gratitude. Thank you for entrusting us with your sons and daughters. Today, we return them to you as sailors of the Philippine Navy, forged in discipline, sharpened by knowledge, and ready to answer the nation's call of service. Once again, palakpakan po natin ang mga dependents ng ating mga graduates. Again, congratulations, SBC Mandarigsi Class of 71. Again, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Oh, game picture! Tara. Bigay mo naman kay tita. Naks naman.
Ang daming gulong yan.
Madaming putik ka nalunok.
Maraming putik ang ginulong-gulong. Ay, ito mo tayo.
Hi, wait lang. Napapawisan na ako at sa paligid.
Congrats, Kuya!
Have you ever seen such a beautiful night? I could almost kiss the stars for shining so bright. When I see you smiling, I go, oh, oh, oh. I would never wanna miss this, 'cause in my heart I know what this is. Hey now, this is what dreams are made of. Hey now, this is what dreams are made of. I've got somewhere I belong. I've got somebody to love. This is what dreams are made of. Have you ever wondered what life is about? You can search the world and never figure it out. You don't have to sail the oceans, no, no, no. Happiness is no mystery, it's here and now, it's you and me, yeah. Hey now, this is what dreams are made of. Hey now, this is what dreams are made of. I've got somewhere I belong. I've got somebody to love. This is what dreams are made of. This is what dreams